Today, we're going to talk about the sales portion of your dashboard. As you know, this is the company as a whole dashboard. And we're going to go over here to the left-hand side for your sales. We're going to go through all of these menus. Let's go over here to all sales. I do apologize when we're videoing and we're using sample data. It does take a little longer to load. This is all the transactions. And you have a bar up here that shows you your numbers. You have 0 estimates out, 750 in unbilled, and so forth. Very good information. And this is everything. You're going to receive a payment on this. These are closed. Just a good place to look to figure out where you're at. Same with your invoices. These are actual invoices that have been sent or not. These, as you can see, have not been sent, but they're overdue. So we need to get on that. These are due in 2 days, but not sent. I wonder why. These are deposited. Now let's go to your customers. And you can see here that this Amy's Bird Sanctuary has an open balance. So does Freeman's Sporting Goods. And again, the bar across the top to help you with your budgeting purposes. Products and services. This is much like your chart of accounts. You can customize it to your needs. How you want your money to come in and where you want your money to go. You can do an exact price. That way when the invoice goes, you've got all that already pre-filled in. So you can go up here to New and customize it how you wish. Put in a name, garden foods, if you have a SKU, and then a category. I think garden tools goes there. Sales price, the income account you want it to go into. And likely services, save and close. It's going to take its time. There you go. You have set up your services chart of accounts. And you can go back here to invoices again and find out what's going on with these funds. Well, that's some good money there. All right. Have a great day. Thank you.